Hello and welcome to this new tutorial video about the Web SDK. My name is Fabio De Rose and I'm a solution engineer working for Nutrient. So today we're going to check how with an event we can retrieve information about an annotation and add inner and outer rectangle to it. So first of all, we are waiting the viewer to be loaded, and then the then instance. So when the PSPDFKit instance is successfully loaded, the then block is executed. So here, this event listener listens for a press. So it could be a click, a tap, depending if it's a computer, a tablet, or a phone. And that tap will occur on the page in the PDF viewer. So after that, here, we will destructure the event information. So the event object is destructured to extract points, page index, and native events. All of those three different properties here. So points represent the coordinates of the press on the page. The page index here represent the index of the page where the press occurred. And the native events contain the underlying events like a mouse click or touch. So after that, we are using the instance get annotation, retrieve the annotation on page 0, so the first page. The find function right after is used to loop through all the annotation and find the one closest to the point where the press occurred. And after that, the annotation then bounding box that grow is here to add a rectangle with a 30 pixel padding on the annotation. So here it's plus 30 and here it's minus 30. So we will have around our annotation, we will have an outer rectangle and an inner rectangle. So after that, the is selected equal instance that gets selected annotation. So it retrieves the annotation correctly selected in the viewer, and this is stored in is select. And for the last part, so if an annotation was found under the press, so annotation here, and no annotation are currently selected, so the is selected with exclamation point. So it stopped the event from propagating further using the native event that stop immediate propagation. So this event prevent the press event from triggering other listeners or actions, like scrolling, for instance. And after that, it uses set timeout here with a delay of 0 to select the annotation by calling instance that's set selected annotation. And this ensures that the selection happens asynchronously after the current event loop. So to resume what this code does, so the PSPDFKit instance is loaded with a dark theme. An event listener listens for a press, so a click or a touch on the PDF page. And when a press occurs, it checks if an annotation exists at the press point. If an annotation is found and no annotation are currently selected, it prevents the event from propagating further and selects the annotation asynchronously. So let's try it. I will draw a rectangle here. And as you can see, we have our outer rectangle, our inner rectangle around our rectangle annotation. So thank you very much for your attention. Do not hesitate to check our other tutorial video to learn more about our product. Thank you very much.